What is up, guys? It's me, Night VR, and I'm here with Gubby.
Yo.
Yeah. So we just yeah. So this is part 2 of another monkey game. You're gonna love it.
Yep. And I'm gonna do my intro now because I just started recording. What is up, guys? In this video, we are basically playing the part 2. Well, I actually sadly didn't be able to do the part 2. I did do the part 2, but for some reason it said it wasn't recording the whole time, even though it showed like the blue, red dot. So that's a little stupid, but it's whatever because we already got it. We're at part 2. It's whatever. But let's just hope this time it's recording again, or yeah. So
yeah. So let's hope that we get all of ours this time and we make it to level 3.
I forgot that these entries are a lot faster. Go that way.
Go. Safe. Behind the table.
Get down. Duck. Tell me when he's coming. Dude, my face. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I hear him. 2 equals 6. 2 equals 6. We're disconnected. Okay, we're good. Calm down. Okay, so mine was 2 equals 6.
Okay. 2 equals 7. 3 equals 7.
3 equals 3. 2 equals 6.
3 equals 7 for me. 2 equals 6.
2 equals 6. 3 equals 3. 2 equals 6. 3 equals
2 equals 6. 3 equals 7.
2 equals 6.
4.
2 equals 3.
It's 5. 4 is 5.
Okay, so 3 and 3. 4 equals 7. Here, write mine down too. 3
Here,
equals 3.
hold on.
3.
Okay, so 2. Equals 7. 3.
So 7 equals 3. 3 equals 3.
And then
4 equals 3 equals 3.
4 equals 5.
3 equals 3.
Hold on.
Write mine down too.
You write yours down.
I can't. I don't have my phone on me. Okay. Here you go. Text Sable Hillis. 4 equals 3. 3.
Okay.
3 equals 3. Hold on.
Okay, we can guess our last number now.
Hold on. 4 equals 3. Hold on. 4 equals 3. And then.
Dude, I'm excited for level 3. You guys are gonna love level 3.
Equal. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're speed running.
Oh yeah, so by the way, I'll show you whenever we go back up, but
hold on, I gotta find it. Okay. Equals 3. And then 4 equals 9. Okay. There we go. I sent it. Okay.
Alright, follow the yellow. Follow the yellow lights. Follow the yellow lights. Follow the yellow lights.
Typing in. Yeah, I think that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know, because there's like different lights. How do we know it's not follow the blue lights though?
Because that's how I found it last time, remember?
Reception. Let's go. Okay, so what's 3 equals 3? 4 equals 7. Wait, so I haven't even found mine. Because I haven't even had a 1 number, like 1 in it. I haven't even had a 1 in it. I haven't had a 1 in my number. That's not good, is it?
Yeah, you actually look scary.
Wait, hold on.
Two.
4 equals 9. Wait, does it have to have like a number 1 in it? Any of them?
No.
God dang, dude. Quit clapping your number. Am I clapping their cheeks? Which is the utmost worst thing.
Go.
Okay. So, I'm so confused. Kid, does it have to have a number 1 in it? Does it have to have a number 1 in it?
Wait, another Lamborghini.
Dude, night VR. Does it have to have? Does it have to have Gubby 4 in it, or like any type of number, or like 1? I meant. Like,
No, it doesn't. It can be any.
So then, how do we know which order it goes in?
You have to remember.
What do you mean you have to remember? Like, what do you mean? For it, like whichever one you seen first? Like that? Whichever one you seen first?
Yeah. No, dude. Do you not remember?
No, I don't.
Okay, so if it says 1 equals something, then that's the first number. Yes, and then take that for the rest of them.
Well, all of mine haven't been a 1.
They don't need to be a 1. They don't have to be a 1.
What is that?
That is
What?
the thing.
That makes no sense.
I'll show you in a minute.
Well, I'm not controlling that inside. Dude, my controller battery just died. Oh my god, my controller battery just died again. 2 equals 6. 2 equals 6.
2 equals
Hey
6,
Siri,
yep.
text Abel Hillis. 2 equals 6.
The best of the best.
Send it. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Yeah, just say, hey Siri, send it to him. I wasn't talking to you. I was not talking to you. Never mind. Jeez, he said, I kept on saying, never mind, nobody, and he kept saying, who? Okay.
And your friend brings a suspicious healthcare to the cookout.
I got that. Apparently he hasn't come here yet. Or come to us yet. Again.
Why did you just say that?
Oh, great! Why did I say that? Literally right as I said, I honestly wanted that to happen. That's why I said that. My controller battery just died. No.
It just died for real, died?
No, I don't know. Like, I can't tell. So now I only got 1 controller. 2 equals 6. We just passed that already.
Twice.
I think I might need a new battery. I'm gonna get a new battery after this video. We don't have to work it up right for right now. Where are we going, dude?
To find our first one.
Well, how do you know which one goes in order? That's my question. Where'd you go?
3. Okay,
Where'd
got
you
it.
Go?
over here.
Where'd you go?
I'm coming.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
Follow yellow, follow yellow.
Wait, maybe like the patterns 4 equals 9. We already seen that.
Okay, I got it, I got it.
Whoa. What? You got I hurt my arm.
Okay, I know what to do.
Tape on my arm to fix it. All right. Okay, so now what do you mean? What do you mean you got it?
I'll show you.
Oh my God.
This way. I just watched it pass.
Okay, we made it to the reception. So you're learning your ways? Okay, so now what?
Okay. So what was your first number?
Hold on. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Dude, are we serious? Where did my phone go? Hold on, I gotta find my phone. Dude. Hey Siri, where are you? Oh, it's right here. Okay, that's good. So good. Okay. So yeah. Okay, my first number is 4 equals 3.
That's not your first number.
Oh. 3. Okay, so I got.
Come on.
Reception.
Okay, 1.
So 1 equals 6. 6.
2 equals.
Give me my phone. Hold on. We'll just go to the text messages.
Every single one now. I didn't think I was gonna all of them just one down.
Okay. 2 equals 6. So 6. 6.
3 equals.
3 equals 3.
And 4 equals.
4 equals 3.
Yeah!
Error.
Let's go.
It says error.
Did it say? What did you get wrong?
1 equals 6. 6. 2 equals 6. And then 3 equals 3. 4 equals 3. Wait, hold on. What if I just do 4 equals 4? Nothing.
4 doesn't equal 4. 4 equals what it equals.
No, I know. I'm saying, I was just like doing the. Hold on. Okay, so 6, 6, 3, and then 6, 6, 3. Oh, I got 49. Okay, so 4 equals 9. Okay. Oh shoot. So 6, 6, 3, 9. Correct.
All right, let's go. Let's go back up to the surface. Come on.
All right, come on. We gotta go. Hurry.
Hurry. This way.
Which way?
Come on. Go.
Dude, okay.
All right, let's go back up. We gotta go back up to the surface.
Up here?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait for me. Take me out to a ball game.
Yes.
Let's go, baby. We're gonna get part 3, baby. Oh.
This is level 3.
Yep. Okay. If we don't beat this,
We're gonna have a part 3.
Yep, part 3. Part 3 coming in how? What's the level 3 monster?
You'll see it in a minute.
Okay. Wait, so what
Follow
do
the
we
blue.
need?
Oh.
Okay, I let it kill me. Dude, I wish it saved.
I don't know what to do for level 3, dude.
You do?
I don't.
Oh, then what do we do? That's not good.
Follow the red.
That's not good if you don't know.
Hang on, what animation was that?
Oh god, I can't climb up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, dude, because of my control keeps on glitching out.
Fudge. I think we have to climb out.
Oh yeah, maybe we do. Imagine part 3 was that easy.
2, 1.
God dang it. Come on.
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, I gotta move out the way because I just smacked my thingy, my chair, and that stuff did not feel good.
Hold up. I don't know. How do we get out?
We have to climb up this?
Yeah.
I don't think we're supposed to
I
climb
think
up.
so. You wanna try to at least?
Yeah. Yeah, we can at least try.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, I don't think it's possible.
I mean, this might be a good hiding spot for the monster.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Climb down.
Alright, let's go do what I think we're supposed to do. I think we follow the blue.
Hey! Dude! Okay.
I think we follow the blue.
The blue. Oh yeah, maybe it's like the blue TV thingy?
Yeah.
Maybe. Cause
Run!
wait, hold on, there's a color right here. Green.
No, that says
That's green for me.
go, get out of here. Go. He died. I think he died. Yep, he died. He died. Alright, let's go.
Sway. I think we can climb up on top of stuff to escape. You think?
Okay, this is our second big room.
Yep, this is our safe spot too. Okay, blue light.
Another blue light?
Blue light again. This,
What do we do here?
does this just lead us to a dead end? Huh, let's look for other blue lights. Maybe that.
Wait.
Huh.
Okay,
Maybe the blue
Follow
light
the other
takes
blue
him
light.
away. Wait, hold on. What if the blue light doesn't like? He doesn't like the blue light. The monster.
no, I think he does because he still chased us. Remember?
I don't remember that. Blue light. Follow the blue light. Okay.
Let's just say this room went a lot deeper than I thought. What? All of spawn is destroyed. Wait, there's rivers. Oh, wait, there's no rivers this direction. Wait, how am I supposed to yeah. First, I somehow needed to escape spawn that was surrounded by
I missed.
visitors. And I go on the record. And yeah, like I mentioned in the
Dude, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm actually about to die. I'm actually about to die. I'm actually about to die.
means that if I die, I
Yep.
get banned
Come on, come on. Cool, blue light, blue light, blue light.
I'm here to find this fight. There's three
Hello.
lean guys now.
Hello.
Where's my right here? I really
Go,
like that
go,
man didn't
go,
use this
go.
before, so I put it at a part in
Go,
this
go, 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 go.
the rooters and approaching them, but doing that gave me a small surprise. Why is there 6 million lean guys? What is this?
Hey, there you are. What's up, bro?
Dude, I don't know where to go for this.
Yeah, nothing to do. You want to switch it up? Oh, like,
Nah. Nah, we gotta find out, dude.
whatever you say.
Okay, I'll show it.
Yeah, I think this is the way out.
Yeah, maybe. Wait, what if we had to find like tools?
Maybe. Yo, 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 yo. I'm gonna go die. Willie walks away. Yo, 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 yo. I'm over here. Lead me with your voice. Guide me. Okay.
Okay. All right, let's do our outro now.
Let me do the outro.
Without getting
Let me do the
into-
outro.
Okay, I did half of it.
Alright. Bye guys. See you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. This is part 2. Just remember, check out part 1. Also, go check out Gubby VR's channel. The man himself. And
And the man himself.
we'll see you